Hey, Mr. G here, and we're going to be going over the E open blues scale. Now, this is what it looks like and sounds like. The first thing we'll do is on the 6th string, we'll play that open E. Then, on the 6th string, with the ring finger on the 3rd fret, we'll play that G. Then we'll play the open A on the 5th string. Then the 5th string with the index finger, we'll play that B flat on the 1st fret. Then the 5th string with the middle finger, we'll play that B. On the 4th string, we'll play that open D. Then the 4th string on the 2nd fret with the middle finger, we'll play that E. Then we'll play that open G on the 3rd string. Then we'll play that A on the 3rd string with the middle finger on the 2nd fret. Then we'll play that B flat on the 3rd string with the ring finger on the 3rd fret. Then we'll play that open B. Then we'll play that D on the 3rd fret of the 2nd string with the ring finger. We'll play that open E on the 1st string. So it's like this. Let me slow that down a little bit. Again. Hey, again, that's your E open blues scale. Thanks for watching the video and keep on jamming.